You write a function. It works. You ship it. Then at 2 a.m. your app crashes in production. Cannot read properties of undefined. The bug was there the whole time, hiding in plain sight. JavaScript let it through. No warnings, no errors, nothing until runtime. TypeScript catches these bugs before your code ever runs. It's not a new language, it's JavaScript with a safety net. In this video, you'll learn basic types: string, number, boolean, arrays, tuples, and enums, interfaces versus type aliases and when to use each, function types, union types, and type guards, and we'll convert TaskFlow from JavaScript to TypeScript. Let's make your code bulletproof. Here's the problem with JavaScript. You can pass anything to any function, a number where a string is expected, an object missing required fields. JavaScript won't complain. It'll try to make it work, often with bizarre results. Add a number and a string, JavaScript concatenates them, no error, just wrong output. Call a method on undefined, runtime crash. Your users see it, not you. TypeScript adds a type system on top of JavaScript. You write TypeScript, the compiler checks your types, then it outputs plain JavaScript. The key difference: errors move from runtime to compile time. You see the red squiggle in your editor, not a crash in production. Setup is simple. Install TypeScript, create a testconfig.json file, enable strict mode. Strict mode turns on all the safety checks. No implicit any, strict null checks, strict function types. Every serious TypeScript project uses strict mode. Without it, you're only getting half the benefit. TypeScript has the same primitive types as JavaScript, but you declare them explicitly. Let name : string equals quote Alice quote. Let age : number equals 30. Let active : boolean equals true. These are type annotations. You're telling TypeScript what type a variable holds. But TypeScript is smart. It can infer types too. Let name equals quote Alice quote. TypeScript knows it's a string. No annotation needed. Use annotations when the type isn't obvious. Let inference do the rest. Arrays use bracket syntax. Let scores : number bracket bracket equals 1, 2, 3, or the generic form array angle bracket number. Both mean the same thing. Tuples are fixed length arrays where each position has a specific type. Let user : bracket string number bracket equals quote Alice quote 30. The first element must be a string. The second must be a number. Enums define a set of named constants. Enum status open brace todo in progress done close brace. Status.todo equals 0. Status.inprogress equals 1. Status.done equals 2. String enums are even better. Enum priority open brace low equals quote low quote medium equals quote medium quote high equals quote high quote close brace. String enums are readable in logs and debugging. Use them over numeric enums. Interfaces define the shape of an object. Interface user open brace name string semicolon email string semicolon age number semicolon close brace. Now any object declared as user must have exactly those properties with those types. Miss a property, TypeScript catches it. Add an extra one inline, TypeScript catches that too. Type aliases can do the same thing. Type user equals open brace name string semicolon email string semicolon age number semicolon close brace. So what's the difference? Interfaces can be extended. Interface admin extends user open brace role string close brace. Types use intersections. Type admin equals user ampersand open brace role string close brace. Interfaces can be merged. Declare the same interface twice and TypeScript combines them. Types cannot be merged. Use interfaces for objects you expect others to extend. Use types for unions and complex combinations. Optional properties use a question mark. Interface task open brace title colon string, semicolon description, question mark, colon string, close brace. Description can be a string or undefined. It's not required. Read-only properties prevent reassignment. Interface config open brace. Read-only AP URL colon string semicolon. Read-only max retries colon number close brace. One set. Read-only properties cannot be changed. This is perfect for configuration objects and constants. Functions get type annotations for parameters and return values. Function add open parentheses, a colon number, comma, b colon number close parentheses, colon number open brace, return a plus b close brace. Both parameters are numbers. The return type is a number. TypeScript can infer the return type, but explicit return types catch mistakes. If you accidentally return a string instead of a number, TypeScript tells you immediately. Union types let a value be one of several types. Let it colon string pipe number. ID can be a string or a number. The pipe symbol means or. Literal types narrow it further. Let direction colon quote left quote pipe quote right quote pipe quote up quote pipe quote down quote. Direction can only be one of those four exact strings, nothing else. Type guards help you work with union types safely. The type of operator checks primitive types. If type of id equals quote string quote. Inside the if block, TypeScript knows id is a string. The instance of operator checks class instances. If error instance of type error, TypeScript narrows the type to type error. The in operator checks if a property exists on an object. If quote email quote in user, TypeScript knows user has an email property. Type guards let you write code that handles every possible type safely. Let's convert TaskFlow from JavaScript to TypeScript. First, we define our core types. Enum priority open brace low equals quote, low quote, comma, medium equals quote, medium quote, comma, high equals quote, high quote, close brace. No more magic strings for priority levels. Next, the task interface. Interface task open brace. ID colon string semicolon title colon string semicolon description question mark colon string semicolon priority semicolon completed colon boolean semicolon created at colon date close brace. Every task must have an ID, title, priority, completed status, and creation date. Description is optional. Now the user interface. Interface user open brace ID colon string semicolon name colon string semicolon email colon string semicolon tasks colon task bracket close brace. A user has a name, email, and an array of tasks. Now our functions are type safe. Function create task open parenthesis title colon string comma priority close parenthesis colon task. You can't pass a number as the title. You can't pass an invalid priority. The compiler catches it before you even save the file. Function get high priority tasks, open parenthesis tasks, colon task bracket close parenthesis colon task bracket. The return type tells you exactly what you get back, no guessing. This is the power of TypeScript. Your code documents itself. Let's recap what you learned. TypeScript catches bugs at compile time, not runtime. Basic types: string, number, boolean, arrays, tuples, and enums. Interfaces define object shapes. Types handle unions and complex combinations. Optional and read-only properties give you fine-grained control. Function types, union types, and type guards keep your code safe. And we converted TaskFlow to TypeScript with real interfaces and enums. In the next video, we go deeper with generics, utility types, and type narrowing, the tools that make TypeScript truly powerful. See you in the next one.